cryptography. Cryptography is nothing but it is an art of achieving security by encoding messages. Encoding is nothing but making message unreadable is known as encoding. See, I will give one example. You can clearly understand what is meaning of cryptography. There are two users. This person is sender. He want to send bank account number to another person. See, this person is user A and this person is user B. This user A is sender. He want to send bank account number to user B through internet. So this person B is receiver. See, for example, bank account number is 1234. I want to send this user A want to send this bank account number to user B through internet. So we can't send bank account number directly to user B. See, if we send bank account number directly to user B, hacker can easily hack your bank account. So what user A do is, user A try to encrypt this bank account. See, encryption is nothing but encoding. See, this bank account number is plain text. So I will encode this bank account number as 001234111. See, this is encoded like this. See, this encoded message is nothing but ciphertext. See, actual message is plain text and whereas encoded message is ciphertext. See, the process of converting the plain text into ciphertext is known as encryption. See, this actual bank account number is converted to ciphertext. See, this process of converting the plain text into ciphertext is known as encryption. So what this user A do is, user A send this encrypted message to user B. See, for example, if hacker hack this message, he can't understand this. He can't identify what is actual bank account. So this ciphertext is sent to the user B. So what this user B do is, user B should convert ciphertext into plain text. Okay. This received message is 001234111. So this user B convert this message, that is ciphertext, into plain text. After converting into plain text, message is 1234. This is ciphertext and this is plain text. See, the process of converting ciphertext into plain text is known as decryption. This entire process is known as cryptography. See, we use cryptography in order to securely transfer message. Cryptography contains both encryption and decryption. Process of converting plain text into ciphertext, that is converting actual message into duplicate message, is known as encryption. And process of converting the ciphertext into plain text, that is converting duplicate message into actual message, is known as decryption. You need to remember these 2 points. In cryptography, we use 2 keys. One is symmetric key and next one is asymmetric key. See, symmetric key is nothing but we use only one key. We use only one key for encryption and decryption. This key is known as secret key. Whereas in asymmetric key, we use 2 keys. First one is public key and next one is private key. This public key is used for encryption, whereas this private key is used for decryption. In cryptography, we use 2 techniques. First one is substitution technique and second one is transposition technique. See, in substitution technique, we replace the characters by symbol or number. See, for example, this is character ABCD. We replaced this character as 1, 2, 3, 4. It is known as substitution technique. In transposition technique, we do not replace anything. We just scramble characters by themselves. See, for example, ABCD. In this, I will not replace this ABCD as 1, 2, 3. I just scramble these characters by themselves. See, I put this B first, C second, D third, and A fourth. See, I scramble character ABCD as BCDA. It is an example of transposition technique. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and friends, I have uploaded complete information security tutorials. I will provide link in description. You can watch from there.